about skin detox, these are 7 of the best foods to detox your skin. So food number 1, I love the leafy greens. So things like kale, bok choy, very high in vitamin C, and of course some beta carotene, which of course converts into our vitamin A, really important for the healing and detoxing of our skin. Food number 2, avocado. Now avocado naturally has some vitamin E and those healthy fats, which is great for that skin detox. Food number 3 of the best foods to detox your skin, and don't go anywhere because food number 7 may be one that may surprise you or maybe not if you've seen my videos before. So food number 3 is fish and seafood. Now, fish and seafood contain zinc and other minerals like selenium and magnesium, which is great in terms of helping to heal the skin. So when we talk about acne, when we talk about skin outbreaks, really important to help with the skin detox. Now, food number 4 is watermelon, and this is a great option for a fruit because it is relatively low in sugar and it has a lot of hydration. So naturally, watermelon contains a lot of water, and we know that we need that healthy water for our skin. Food number 5 for detoxing the skin is almonds. Now, almonds have great antioxidants as well as those healthy fats to help with that skin detox. And food number 6 is eggs. Now, eggs are fantastic, especially the yolks, because they have natural vitamin E. Now, you just don't want to overcook your eggs. Keep them a little bit on the runny side so that you don't denature that vitamin E. And food number 7, my favorite probably in terms of skin detox, is dark chocolate. Now, there are a lot of flavonols in here and polyphenols, and you want to look for at least a 70% chocolate so that you get all of the goodness from that cacao and not too much of that sugar and the other ingredients that could be in there. So today I talked all about skin detox and the 7 best foods to detox your skin. For tips on how to do a full body detox, check out my video, 9 ways to detox and cleanse for a total body detox.